Welcome back, dear student. In video lecture number 4, the name of topic is that solid state. In that, we have discussed the classification of crystalline solid. आपण आतापर्यंत क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिडचे क्लासिफिकेशन मधले 3 टाइप आपण डिस्कस केलेले होते. एक कुठला फर्स्ट वन इज दैट आयोनिक सॉलिड, सेकंड वन इज दैट कोवैलेंट सॉलिड एंड फोर्थ वन इज दैट मेटॅलिक सॉलिड. हे 3 टाइप किंवा 3 क्लासिफिकेशन आपण मागच्या 2 लेक्चरमध्ये डिस्कस केलेले होते. आताच्या लेक्चरला आपल्याला द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड, that is the molecular solid we have discussing in today video lecture. आज आपण molecular solid च्या बाबतीत माहिती घेणार आहोत. ओके, so what is a molecular solid? What are the type of the molecular solid? What are the example of the molecular solid? We are discussing one by one. So what is the characteristics of molecular solid and how to form the molecular solid? molecular solid कसा फॉर्म होतो ते आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे. substance like as a chlorine, then sulfur dioxide, then carbon dioxide, methane, hydrogen, oxygen. कुठले सांगितले मी? substance like Cl2, O2, H2, CH4. These substances undergo solidification to obtain the molecular crystal structure. म्हणजे Cl2 असेल, त्याच्यानंतर O2 असेल, त्याच्यानंतर H2 असेल, त्याच्यानंतर CH4 असेल. ह्या सबस्टन्सला आपण जर सॉलिडिफाय केलं तर सॉलिडिफाय केल्यानंतर आपल्याला जो काही सॉलिड भेटतो किंवा जो काही क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर भेटतो, द नेम ऑफ क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर इज दॅट मोलिक्युलर सॉलिड. नेम ऑफ क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर इज दॅट मोलिक्युलर सॉलिड. So what are the characteristics of the molecular solid? We have discussing one by one. So first characteristics of molecular solid is that the Cp. What is by Cp? That is the constituent particle. Cp म्हणजे काय? Constituent particle. The constituent particle of molecular solid are molecules. काय असतात ते? constituent particle in molecular solid is molecules. तुम्हाला मी आठवत असेल तर बघा, पहिल्या लेक्चरला पण सांगितलं होतं Cp त्याला आपण constituent particle म्हणतो. ते constituent particle एक तर atoms, ions किंवा molecules असतात. ओके, बघा या सॉलिडच्या अगोदर शब्द काय? मोलिक्युल. म्हणजे हा सॉलिड कशापासून तयार झालेला असेल किंवा constituent particle of this solid is molecule. जसं याच्यामध्ये बघा मी सांगितलं होतं the constituent particle is a metals of same element. याच्यामध्ये मी सांगितलं होतं the constituent particle in which the atoms they are linked together covalent bond. तसं इथे या सॉलिडच्या अगोदर मोलिक्युलर हा शब्द आहे. म्हणजे the constituent particle in this solid is a molecules. त्याच्यानंतर दुसरी कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आपल्याला सांगता येईल the bonds between the molecules or the bonds within the molecules are covalent. त्याच्यामध्ये कोण असतं? कुठला बॉन्ड असतो त्याच्यामध्ये? molecules are covalent. शब्दाला अंडरलाइन करून घ्या. These are the second characteristics. What is the second characteristics? की हे जे constituent particle असतील म्हणजे हे molecules असतील, एक molecule दुसऱ्या molecule बरोबर bond form करतोय आणि तो bond असेल it is a covalent bond. It is a covalent bond. Then what about the third characteristics? The third characteristics is that the molecules are held together by the intermolecular force of attraction. Molecule काय करतात ते हेल्ड होतात intermolecular force of attraction. म्हणून हे 3 नंबरची कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मिळते. We have written the third characteristics. The molecules are held together by intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces म्हणजे हे जे मोलिक्युल्स असतील ते मोलिक्युल एकमेकांमध्ये इंटरॅक्शन होते, हेल्ड होते. ते हेल्ड होण्यासाठी त्याच्यामध्ये व्हेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ इंटरमोलिक्युलर फोर्सेस असतात. You know that very well in last year, that is in 11th science, there are 5 type of intermolecular forces. That is, what is the first intermolecular forces? That is, there are London force. It is also called as the dispersion force. It is also called as the Van der Waals force. Second is that dipole-dipole interaction. Third is that dipole-induced dipole interaction. Fourth is that ion-induced dipole interaction. And fifth is that hydrogen bonded molecular. Hydrogen bonding. हे 5 प्रकार आपण 11वीला बघितलेले होते. तर याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी आता असं म्हटलेलं आहे की molecules are held together by the various types of the intermolecular forces, so that there are weak dipole interaction and dispersion and London forces. We are discussing one by one. मात्र ह्या molecular solid चे characteristics झाल्यानंतर ह्या molecular solid चे सब क्लासिफिकेशन ज्याला आपण म्हणतो ते 3 क्लासिफिकेशन असतात. Molecular solid are consist of the 3 sub classification. First one is that polar molecular solid. इथे मी लिहितो बघा. Molecular solid are again classified into the 3 types. We are discussing one by one. We have written here that polar molecular solid. Second is that non-polar molecular solid, and fourth is that hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. त्याला म्हटले इंटरमोलिक्युलर हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. इंटरमोलिक्युलर शब्द सुद्धा त्याला वापरला जाऊ शकतो. That is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So we are discussing one by one. Polar molecular solid, non-polar molecular solid, and intermolecular hydrogen bonded molecular solid. So first we are discussing about the polar molecular solid. First we are discussing what about the polar molecule. 2 species having charges is opposite and more electronegativity difference between them, it is called as a polar molecule. म्हणजे चार्जेस अपोजिट असणारे त्याच्यामध्ये मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्हिटी डिफरन्स असणारे जे काही मॉलिक्यूल असतील ते पोलार कॅरेक्टर दाखवतात. व्हॉट आर द एक्झाम्पल? जस्ट सी दॅट वी आर डिस्कसिंग द एक्झाम्पल. दॅट इज त्याचे पोलार मॉलिक्यूलचं आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं बघा. We have written polar molecule HCl. पहिलं एक्झाम्पल घेतलं. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल इज दॅट सल्फर डायऑक्साइड किंवा H2O, then sulfur dioxide. These are the three examples. In these three examples, this hydrogen is a partially positive charge. This chlorine is a partially negative charge. So that charges are same or different? Obviously charges is different. So electronegative difference is the maximum or minimum? More or maximum the electronegativity difference. So that it is a polar or non-polar? It is a polar molecule. It is a polar molecule. Polar molecule possess the permanent dipole moment. Polar molecule काय करतात? Polar molecule possess the permanent dipole moment. The dipole moment is represented by symbol mu. Dipole moment is represented by symbol mu. Their unit is a d by. Their unit is a d by. And dipole moment, it is the product of the charges and distance between them. Just see that. When you consider the hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Hydrochloric acid we get HCl. This is a partially positive charge and this is a partially negative charge. So charges is equal to Q1 and Q2, and this is the distance between them. So dipole moment mu is equal to, this dipole moment mu is equal to, it is the product of charges, that is a Q1 Q2 into distance between them. This is called as a dipole moment, that is a mu, and this is called as a polar molecule. त्याला काय म्हणतात गेला? Polar molecule. These are the first part. Okay. What about the second part? That is a non-polar molecule. Polar molecule. This is the first part. And what about the second? It is called as a non-polar molecule. A non-polar molecule म्हणजे काय ते समजून सांगतो. This non-polar molecule possess the London force or weak dispersion force, very weak dispersion force. आता polar non-polar molecule का असतो? The species having charges is same. It is either positive or either it is a electronegative. The electronegativity difference between them is a very small, that is a little bit, and such a type of molecule is called as a non-polar molecule. By example, we get the non-polar molecules, that is a H2Cl2O2. H2Cl2O2. इथे मी लिहितोय. Second type, that is non-polar molecule. This non-polar molecule possess, पहले मैं example लेते हैं, H2, I2, O2, Cl2 and CH4. त्याच्यामध्ये जर बघितलं, समजा मी हे उदाहरण घेतलं, हायड्रोजन, this is the partially positive charge, this is a partially positive charge. So charges are same or different? Obviously charges are same. So that electronegative difference is a more or maximum? Electronegative difference is a minimum. It is a repulsion or attraction? It is a repel to each other. It is a repel to each other. So non-polar molecule is also called as a, or non-polar molecule possess the very weak dispersion or London force. London force. त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काय बघायचं आहे बघा. This force is involved in the monoatomic gases. Monoatomic gases, that is a helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. This is called as a monoatomic gases. Why it is a monoatomic gases? Because the ratio of Cp upon Cv, it is a less than 2, hence it is the monoatomic. म्हणजे पिरियॉडिक टेबलमध्ये असणारे जे काही मोनो ॲटॉमिक गॅसेस असतील ते मोनो ॲटॉमिक गॅसेस पण हे कशाचं एक्झाम्पल होऊ शकतात. इट इज अ एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द नॉन पोलार मॉलिक्यूल. This non-polar molecule do not possess the dipole moment. Non-polar molecule dipole moment show करत नाही. They have very weak force of attraction and maximum repulsion. त्याच्यामध्ये attraction तर खूप कमी प्रमाणात असतं आणि maximum प्रमाणात काय असतं त्याच्यामध्ये repulsion असतं. Okay, this is called as the second part. That is a non-polar molecule. And last type, that is a intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding, or it is also called as a hydrogen bond. Okay, third part आपल्याला घ्यायचा त्याचा intermolecular hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bonding, there are two types of the hydrogen bonding. First one is that intermolecular hydrogen bonding and second one is that intramolecular hydrogen bonding. किती प्रकार आहेत त्याचे? They have two types. First one is that intermolecular hydrogen bonding and second one is that intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular म्हणजे काय? दोन सेम किंवा ऑपोजिट स्पेसिस मध्ये जी बॉन्डिंग घडून येते त्याला म्हटलं तर इंटरमोलिक्युलर हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. आता त्याची डेफिनेशन काय? हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंगची डेफिनेशन सांगतो बघा मी. डेफिनेशन: हायड्रोजन हॅज ability or capacity to acquire additional positive charge. Hydrogen has ability or capacity to acquire additional positive charge when it is react with more electronegative element like fluorine, chlorine, oxygen and nitrogen. At the time it forms the bond with more electronegative element and this bond is called as a hydrogen bonding. This bond it is called as a hydrogen bonding असं म्हटलं गेलं जातं. We take the example that is a NH3. NH3. This is the NH3. This is partially negative charge. This is partially positive charge. This is the partially positive charge. This is the NH3. Again, we return the NH3 in this way. Here, this is a partially positive, positive and negative. So, this hydrogen is acquire one charge, but it has a ability to acquire additional positive charge when it is react with more electronegative element like as a nitrogen. At a time, hydrogen is formed the bond towards that nitrogen, and this bond is called as a intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So, this bond is represented by, or bonding is represented by this dotted line. Bonding is represented by this dotted line. This intermolecular hydrogen bonding occurs between the similar species. Hydrogen bonding हा dissimilar species मध्ये occur होत नाही का? Yes, it can be occurs. Just see that. मी आता पुढचं उदाहरण घेतलं, NH3 तसंच ठेवला. वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल घेतलं, वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल. काय फॉर्म्युला आहे? H2O. तो H2 मी असं लिहिलं बघा. HOH. Okay? So this hydrogen is a partially positive charge. This hydrogen is a partially positive charge. This oxygen is a partially negative charge. Partially negative charge. So that this partially hydrogen, it has a one charge. When this hydrogen is a form the bond towards the more electronegative element, that is the nitrogen, at that time it acquire the additional positive charge, and bond is formed by the hydrogen, hence it is called as a intermolecular hydrogen bonding. त्याला काय म्हटलं गेलं? इंटरमोलिक्युलर हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग असं म्हटलं गेलं. मग ह्या पोलार मॉलिक्युलच्या बाबतीत जर बघितलं तर पोलार molecular solid, this molecular solid is a bad conductor of heat and electricity, or it is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Poor conductor असतात ते. It is a poor conductor of heat and electricity, and it is a good insulator. Then this molecule, that is a molecular solid, they have low melting point. त्यांचा melting point कसा असतो? लो असतो. They are poor conductor of heat and electricity, and they are the good insulator. In this way we have discussed the last article or last type of the classification of the crystalline solid, that is a molecular solid. Molecular solid कसा तयार होतो ते आपण सांगितलं. molecular solid चे characteristics आपण बघितल्या, त्याचे सब टाइप बघितले. पोलार मॉलिक्युलर सॉलिड म्हणजे काय, नॉन पोलार मॉलिक्युलर सॉलिड म्हणजे काय, आणि इंटरमोलिक्युलर हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग म्हणजे काय ते पण आपण बघितलं. अशा पद्धतीने आपण क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड हा पॉइंट इथे संपवलेला आहे. पुढच्या तासाला आपल्याला युनिट सेल म्हणजे काय, त्याच्यानंतर त्याचे जे टाइप्स आहेत प्रिमिटिव्ह, त्याच्यानंतर प्रिमिटिव्हला सिंपल क्युबिक असं म्हटलं तर, त्याच्यानंतर बॉडी सेंटर आणि फेस सेंटर हे आपल्याला पुढच्या लेक्चरला घ्यायचं आहे. आताच्या लेक्चरला जर काही तुम्हाला डिफिकल्टी असेल तर तुम्ही पुढच्या गुगल मीटला विचारू शकता. ओके, इथे थांबूया आपण. ओके, धन्यवाद.